How's it going, guys? My name is Hector with ASAP Mobile Tire. We're a mobile tire and roadside assistance business out here in Southern California. Excuse the truck, it's a little messy. We had a busy week. It's Saturday, so we chilling. Personally, my business hours are 4 a.m. to midnight, and then weekends I'm off until I get an employee and able to scale up. You know, whatever. We're here for a testament video for Roadside Genius, and I already know it's going to go on the YouTube channel. So stick around. You know, I've seen a couple of these testament videos, but I wanted to add on to it because of the value that Roadside Genius has provided my business personally. Stick around. A couple months ago, I was messing with Google Ads, doing it on my own. It was very inconsistent. I did try to figure it out, watch YouTube videos. Sometimes I get 0 jobs in a day. Sometimes I get 3 jobs. Sometimes I get 2. It was just very inconsistent, and I didn't get the call volume that I wanted. So I've been following Roadside Genius for a long time just because they have good content. Followed them, and I was always iffy. I was always wishy-washy on whether I wanted to invest in the Roadside Genius marketing plan, the program. It is $500 a month, but I'll tell you, man, you're going to make your money back. Depending how you price yourself, 15-fold, 20-fold, 25-fold, depending on how you price your business, which is a whole nother conversation. Please, I hope y'all are charging what you're worth. Depending on how you price your business, the sky is the limit. And let me tell you guys, ever since signing on with Roadside Genius, I've been getting 13 to 15 phone calls a day, and I average 4 jobs in a day. But of those phone calls, I can't get to every single one of them. Sometimes I'm way on the other side. Customer calls, hey, can you help me? And I'm doing another job, and I tell them, oh, my ETA is an hour. Some of them can't wait. Some of them don't want to pay. It's okay. Of all your phone calls, you're not going to hit every single one of them. But I'm going to tell you, my call volume has risen, has skyrocketed ever since I went with Roadside Genius. I'm coming on here doing a testament because of the value that it's brought me and the success that I'm seeing because of it, you know? And then who knows, maybe 4 years, 5 years down the line, we would have built a foundation to where we don't even have to pay for advertising. But you're not going to get there right away. Building a business, this business has been open for 1 year, and we're cash flowing $12,000. I said 20, I wish. Hopefully soon. $12,000 in a month. Of course, it's not profit. You have business expenses, but to see that number, I would have never thought was possible. The fact that as a whole, as a whole client base, people are paying this business $12,000 is a feat that I didn't think I would reach so quickly. And it has happened so fast. I've been with Roadside Genius since February. So 1, 2, 3 whole months. And let me tell you, the difference has been crazy. It is evident. Look, man, Roadside Genius, thank you guys. And anybody else interested, give them a call, set up your meeting. Man, you won't be disappointed. You'll be satisfied. We're happy. We're going to keep on working, going to keep on grinding. All right, guys, have a good one.